It's your girl Danny. It's been like 10 months since I uploaded, but I missed everyone, and hopefully I'll update you guys either in an IG post or sorry, I'm like touching my hair, either in like an IG post or in another video explaining why it's gone. But you girls, let me just do like a quick summary. Your girl's a fucking sophomore in college. I'm applying for my bachelor's. Well, I just applied for it, and welcome back to another being chaotic hair care routine. Sound effect. Okay, so as you guys can tell, my hair is kind of different. It's been revitalized. To cut the story short, I had a really bad salon experience. I wanted like dark hair with highlights. Put a photo like right here, and let's just say I got nothing like that. It was kind of cute, but it was just a really badly done balayage, and I couldn't deal with it anymore. Thus, I chopped off all my hair, which was a lot at that point. It was like up to here, which is, I would say, like, it's been like, it was like, I didn't touch my hair for 8 months prior to that, or like 5 or 6 months. I don't fucking remember. I will put the correction right here. Prior to me bleaching my hair and then frying it off. So, I kind of dyed it dark and just let it chill for a month or two. And then I did this color because I've been wanting to do red for so long, and it's a dark red that you really can't tell is red unless I'm in the sun, which is like nice and subtle for me. But yeah, ever since the salon fried my hair, I've been investing a lot into my hair care routine, and I just want to share with you guys. I feel like whenever I make a video, it's always something to do with my hair because I just have like experiences with my hair, and like I don't know how to explain it. But let's get started. So ever since my hair got fried, I started using Pureology. Here are the sets. Please excuse my nails. Okay, that's literally backwards, Danny. Is that conditioner on me? Wonderful. We're just gonna ignore that. Beep! So here are, this is the shampoo. Can we see? And the conditioner. I would say it's totally worth it. My routine honestly hasn't changed a lot in the way like I wash my hair or how I blow dry or how I straighten my hair. It's pretty much the same. I wash my hair max twice a week. I'm trying to get to 1 time a week. It's just really hard to break that. But these shampoo, oh my god, do you see that? Yo, my apologies. But these two babies retail for, I think one is 30 and one is like 34, 32. They're rather small bottles, but I'm telling you, they've lasted me almost since August, like almost 3 months for this. I do have short hair, but I do have a lot of hair, and I only wash it twice a week, and they lasted me a decent amount of time. Of course, like I always double shampoo, so my shampoo is a lot less than my conditioner, but they smell so good. They really helped my hair get back to like a lot of health, because like my shine is like kind of insane for like how damaged my hair was like 2.5, 3 months ago. I'm sorry for the beeping. I need to put my phone in sleep mode. I'm sorry. But yeah, these two, shampoo and conditioner, this set has honestly changed the way I wash my hair and just like the overall health of my hair. And I would say the only other thing that I've honestly changed a lot in my routine is this bad baby here. As you guys can see, it's pretty much empty. There's nothing left in here. Maybe like just like scrapes of product. But this product has honestly changed my hair. Like everyone always talked about Olaplex, right? And I was just like, it's so expensive. It's like $28 for this little buddy, which is 3.3 flow ounces. So it is a rather expensive product, but it also lasted me around 2 months, 2.5 months-ish. And I Olaplex once a week. And at first I was like, it's not doing anything. It's just not doing anything. But ever since I've been Olaplexing my hair once a week for the last 2.5 months, I feel that my hair is so much healthier, and I never expected it to work because I was just like, I really hate paying a lot of money for hair products because I feel like I'm paying for the brand name. I'm not paying actually for the formula or the quality of product. But using pureology and Olaplex, even though they are rather expensive products, it has revolutionized my hair. I honestly feel really, really good with how much stronger my hair is. I think the more I Olaplex, the stronger it got, and it's definitely a lot more resilient than it was like 2.5 months ago. Like 2.5 months ago, my hair was like breaking off while I showered. Like it clumps just breaking off. It was rather traumatizing, so I rather not speak on that. But let's just say my hair is a lot healthier because of these three main products. And of course, I still use hair oil. I literally just ran out of my Moroccan oil. I'm sorry, I lost the cap. But I've been using this L'Oreal Elsive. I have no idea how to pronounce it. I'm so sorry, but it's honestly been really nice. I like to lather my hair with oil because having color treated hair, especially that's been bleached, since that it was like 2.5 months ago, it was literally breaking off like stringy hair. Hair oil is super important. Like you just want to keep your hair hydrated and nice and soft. So yeah, this has been helping. And of course, once I get out the shower, I always use It's a 10. I literally have these bottles in stock. Same thing with Pureology. I just bought like 2 more sets of my shampoo and conditioner, but this I've been using since middle school and it's never disappointed me. It's just done me really well and it smells so great. Like all these products smell so good, and I feel like they don't overlap on each other and it smells weird. Like I feel like it's very coherent, even though they're all from different brands. I just feel like my hair always smells good and it's nice. I haven't had any like sensitivity to any of these products. I do have rather sensitive skin, but nothing honestly hasn't nothing has been like irritating, which is really nice. And yeah, that pretty much sums up like my hair care routine. I wash twice a week. I blow dry twice a week. I never leave my hair wet because I do have red hair now, which stains everything. It's kind of outrageous, but I still take care of it. I'm gonna put a photo of my towel because it's just a hot mess and I think it's quite funny. But yeah, this sums up my chaotic hair care routine and my return to YouTube, which hopefully is longer than the last time. But yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I will do my best to post more consistently, but my schedule was kind of chaotic, so my apologies in advance. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and it's good to be back. I'm not going to touch my camera with this hand because it's kind of condition-y. But yeah, have an amazing day, night, wherever you are, and I'll see you back in the next one. Bye, guys!